YouTube, welcome back. So as my wife was trying to take this car, this loaner car to work, and well, it happened yesterday. Somehow she walked toward the car and then the remote doesn't automatic unlock. So yesterday I had to push the door handle in order to unlock it. Somehow I guess she tried to do it today and it was unsuccessful. I'm figuring probably the remote on the key fob is totally dead. As you can see, the mirror is still folded. Not sure what's going on here. It's not reacting to the unlock mode when I press twice. Press once. Well, since the car is already unlocked. Let me try one more time to push the handle. Yeah, it's not unlocking, so it's might call customer service, see what the hell's going on. Try the back. Yeah, I think probably the key fob battery is dead. And let me try to change it and see if it's gonna work or not. Alright, so we're gonna change this LUCID battery, key fob battery. You need to insert like a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool in here. So make sure you jam it in there and then pry upward. Okay, then there goes your battery. This one is the CR2032 3-volt lithium-ion coin battery. Let me check out the voltage on this thing. .995 should be good. I'm not sure what's going on here. Alright, so I got this brand new Panasonic CR2032. Let's go ahead and open this up. Should be more than 3 volt. So it went over, that's why it's flashing. Let me put it on 30. So it's 3.27 volt when it's brand new. Let's go ahead and pop out the new battery. Be sure to insert this in first. There's a tab, so it will hold the battery down. And this side go in first, the one toward at the edge. And you should press down both sides, and then when you hear click. Well, let's go out there and then test this out. Alright, so let's go and then test this out. Let me walk towards. Oh, automatic detects right away. So I guess the key fob battery was low, so it's not detecting it, because sometimes on the dash it says key not detected. See, it shows no key detected. And you put it in the car. I put it in the C and then now it detects it. Let me try the front again. Press lock, unlock. So it works instantly right now. Press and hold the front. Let me open the trunk. Hopefully this one's gonna close. I'm not sure it's got to do with the low barrier or what, but close the front. Now I'm gonna lock the car back up. Oh, it automatically detects it. Now it detects the keys are unlocked by itself. Press to lock. Well, there you go. Anyway, if you are Lucid Air Peer, Lucid Air Grand Touring, Air Dream Edition, or whatever Platinum or Sapphire, if it's key fobs going out of battery, those are the symptoms that's gonna give you the issue. So yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.